If you're a trader and you haven't read these books, you're doing yourself a disservice. You can become a profitable trader without ever picking up a book. But if you're serious about accelerating your growth and learning from those who've already walked the path, then these books right here are non-negotiables. The last two on the list might not be what you expect. Book number 1, The Alchemist. This is my all-time favorite book. I first read The Alchemist right after graduating high school. I just started trading, and like many of you, I was impatient. To be honest, I wanted success now. I wanted to blow up and get rich overnight. But man, this book right here, it hit me with a much needed reality check. The Alchemist taught me how to appreciate the journey and take my time, to stop rushing towards the destination and have patience. Trading in life isn't all about the destination and the wins. It's more about the journey you took to get there and the lessons you've learned to become that person to finally hit those destinations. Trading in life isn't so much about the destination. It's really about the lessons you learn along the way to get there. If you're someone who feels stuck, then this book is a good read for you. Book number 2, I don't have in hand. I actually have it on Audible. One Good Trade by Mack. One good trade after one good trade after one good trade. It's a mantra from the book that has just been ingrained into my brain because it's just a constant reminder to focus on the process of one good trade after one good trade after one good trade, and not so much worrying about the outcome of the trade. This book isn't just about taking good trades. It was really a wake-up call for me. In one of the chapters, Mack dives deep into how the traders on this floor put in an insane amount of work just to get better. I mean, per one trade, they get 10 points of experience through visualization, simulation, and tape review. From those things, they do it with groups, by themselves, before, after a trade, and even on weekends. And while I was hearing that, it really made me just step back and look at how much work I personally was putting in and to where I wanted to go. There's levels to it, and I just was not putting in the same amount of work they were. And as someone who really wants to become great at this craft, I realized there's more I need to do. As a trader and want to look on the inside of how the greats do it, then this book is for you. Now with book number 3, you can't go wrong here. The Holy Bible. Now, hear me out. The Bible is filled with timeless wisdom and guidance for anybody in all walks of path. And in this video, speaking specifically to traders, it's great for us as well. Let me share you just a few scriptures that have helped me. Like in Galatians 6:9, where it says, "And let us not grow weary of doing good, for in due season we will reap if we do not give up." To me, all I'm hearing is what we reap is what we sow. So we keep putting in the work and not worrying about so much about the end goal and putting in the work, then inevitably we will reap greatness. Or in Romans 8:25, he says, "But if we hope for what we do not see, we wait with it with patience." This really helped me because in the field and in the skill to where you see people making $2,000, $3,000, $5,000, $10,000 plus $100,000, 6 figures, 7-figure payouts, well, every month, every week, and you just want to rush your process once you see that and you want to get there so quick. When you read something like this, you take a deep breath and realize just have patience. And for time's sakes, last but not least, we have Proverbs 13:11. "Wealth gained hastily will dwindle, but whoever gathers little by little will increase it." Now this is perfect because we know in trading, if you go for a big win, just out of nowhere, on a small account, on a big account, just out of nowhere, you try to go for this big win, the 9 times out of 10, you end up blowing the whole account. But over time, if you compound, you will win. And these verses are like a perfect blueprint for traders' mindset. Beyond the wisdom, the Bible has been a cornerstone and a great strength for me. If you're looking for timeless principles and want things to apply to your trading in your life, I recommend you either start with Proverbs or Matthews. You can't go wrong there. Now let's talk about one book you should be writing in every single day and learning from: your trading journal. My trading journal has been a game changer. It's simple, effective, and it's always helped me evolve my game and become a better trader day after day. If you don't have a trading journal, you're not serious about this. You're not serious about leveling up, and you're really leaving progress on the table. Here are just a couple of things I add in my journal to get more bang for my buck and really take it to the next level. I have a section where I have perfect trades. This is where I document every trade and I write down yes or no to if I took a perfect trade. And it's not about the outcome. It's 100% about the process. Did I follow my rules? Did I have my confluences there? And then I have a good entry. All things I can handle. Then I know I can sit back and really watch things play out. Second, we have trade pictures. In the top right of TradingView, there's a little camera you can click on. You can either hit copy image or copy link, which is what I do. And I just paste it right into my trading journal. So after each week, when I sit down and do my trading reviews, I can look back and look at the exact trade I took and just ponder on it and think about it, see how I could have done better. And third, and the most important thing I have, are my reflections. I write everything I've thought about this trade. I write my emotions before, during, after, my thought process before, during, and after. I can go back and just review, just think, and relive that trade again. At my weekly trading reviews, I could go back and relive that exact same trade and think about how I could have done better, how I could have been maybe a little bit more calmer, or what I missed and how should I execute it a little bit differently. I'll tell you a story about how in my second year of trading, I had this time period where I just kept losing. Then at the end of the week, I looked at my trading journal and realized that most of the trades were counter trend. Since then, I put in my confluences that I will just not take a trade if it's counter trend. But in 2025, I decided to take it a step further and do weekly reviews. So every Sunday night or Monday morning, I take the time to go over the previous week's trades to get ready and reset myself for the following week. The good thing is, it was easy to create, and for you guys, I'm providing it for free. Check out the first link in the description, join the community, and then the resources tab in the Discord, you can find it right there. These are the top books for traders in 2025. They not only shape my mindset, but they help me become a better person overall. Now it's your turn. I love to read. So if you don't mind, please drop a book recommendation of any sorts, trading, life, just anything. Drop it in the comment section below. Honestly, any book that's helped you level up and become a better person, on or off the charts. While you're at it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.